Hey, I happen to own coyier.dev. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I just happen to own it, and I don't feel like letting it go just yet. But for now, I just want to put up like a little splashy website that probably points to my personal website or whatever. So I build it in CodePen because CodePen can host this for me. Which is pretty cool in the 2.0 editor. So because I'm a pro user, I come over here to the deployment panel. There'll be a big green button that says deploy site. I've already clicked it, so I've deployed it, and I'll get a randomly generated subdomain for this website. So there it is, pretty cool. I got it at keenhalllabrador.codepen.app, whatever. Maybe that's useful. That's the deployed site right there. Why not? It's SSL. It's behind a CDN. It's protected and fast and all that. But that's not what I want. I want to serve coyier.dev at that. Well, notice that I've also done this other thing. I've added a custom domain. So I just came in here and I typed in coyier.dev and added that domain. Now you can do that for any domain you want in there, but it's going to check to see that you're actually like pointing that DNS information for that domain you own at CodePen. And the trick to doing that is because coyier.dev it's not a subdomain. It's what you call an apex domain with no subdomain on it. We give you 2 A records. So you just go into now I happen to own this site on GoDaddy. I go into my DNS here, and you can see that my A records are pointed at those 2 IP addresses that are right there in the CodePen interface to point to. And now that I've done that, and you wait a little bit for DNS to propagate, shouldn't take too long, we will verify the DNS for you and then provision an SSL certificate and all that to make sure that coyier.dev is serving the same website at coyier.dev or at whatever URL you're trying to use, which apex domain. Now, we do subdomains perfectly well as well. Those, instead of setting A records, you just set a CNAME record directly to the URL that we give you. That works equally well and works the same way. It's just we're now supporting A records and apex domains perfectly well as well. So CodePen can totally host websites for you.